You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, navigation package, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.